Hello friends, welcome to News You Can Eat 24 and the Geography of Taste. I'm Chef Walter. Since we are all confined in retreats, I thought to share with you a recipe from each region of Italy, one that symbolizes the richness of the Italian regional cookery. Cooking for family is probably the best recipe in times such as these, so let's rediscover those recipes that we have shelved away. And the region featured today is Campania, or Campania Felix, as the Romans romantically identified it. Yes, the happy land. Probably many of you have already been to Campania. Cities like Naples, the Amalfi Coast, Positano, looking across the sea and see the islands of Ischia and Capri. So, located to the south of Rome, Campania has a history that is inextricably tied to the Roman Empire. The province was part of the Roman Republic from as far back as the 4th century BC and continued to be an important part of the empire for many centuries. Despite rich arable soils and access to ports for fresh seafood, Campania's claim to fame is the wide selection of street food, which may be baked, fried, grilled, or even frozen. These treats are often handheld and not available at every shop and at every street corners. Campania's cuisine is made of inexpensive ingredients, fresh of course, many of them are vegetables, and of course the grain. Pizza and pasta cooked from local wheat make Campania recipes famous throughout the world. The region offers a varied seafood cuisine, from antipasti such as fritto misto to fish stews and of course pasta. Some of the dishes that come to mind are drowned octopus with tomatoes and hot peppers, to mussels and broth, and of course the typical bacala, the salted cod with capers, pine nuts and raisin. Vegetables play such a large role in the Campania cuisine that the locals are usually called mangiafoglie, or leaf eaters. The fertile soil provides a bountiful amount of food, including salad greens, tomatoes, eggplant, peppers, garlic, and fresh herbs. A typical cold salad might include raw or cooked vegetables, tossed with herbs and cheese. Other popular dishes are giaffota, a stewed dish of eggplant, peppers, zucchini, and onion with basil, and olive oil, and it's usually served cold. And so this is a brief introduction to Campania. What I did, as I told you in these segments of the Geography of Taste, this is a virtual recipe, meaning that we give you the recipe in our blog. And I have a beautiful pasta frittata that I made for this particular segment, which I think you're gonna love because it utilizes leftover pasta from yesterday. And so if you click on www.chefwalterfinefoods.com and then you go on the blog, you will find the frittata di pasta, which is a lovely example of simplicity and ingenuity. And of course, utilizing ingredients that you already have. So check it out, download it, and I think you're gonna enjoy it. It's simple, and I think it will be a great success. Thanks for watching. We'll chat with you the next time here with News You Can Eat 24 and the Geography of Taste as we travel to another region to discover the richness of those lands. See you then. Ciao.